right, so here's my latest project I just picked up. You have to excuse my voice. I have a sore throat, and yeah, I don't sound very normal right now. But I got I believe it's a 1999 model Cub Cadet 3225, and I just got home with it a little while ago. It has both side panels and the screen that goes back there. I just took them all off so I could clean it. Try to show you here. The paint's really faded from sitting outside. Got some surface rust. I pulled these I don't know what to call them, that like floor mat part. That one I can't get off because that pedal thing is stuck on there, but I got this one off. But I was saying the body on this thing, the sheet metal, is really straight. It's got one dent right here, and that's really it. This tail light is smashed up. But yeah, so apparently it lost spark and wouldn't run anymore, and the guy started working on it. And I mean, you can see, like, you know, the spark module right there. Snapped off a couple bolts, so that'll be great to deal with. You know, he unplugged all the wiring and everything. It's got, see if I can get a shot of it, 784 hours, so not a spring chicken, but that's really not too bad either. Also, he gave me the wheel weights right there, 75 pounds, and they're OEM. They have the Cub Cadet logo on them. That's the bracket for the front of the deck. Those are the covers, bunch of hydraulic oil filter, engine oil filter, 2 air filters. What else? Oh, that's the muffler shield that was loose. Pulled that off. That's a new ignition coil. He's only got one of them, unfortunately, but got a bit of a showstopper here. He said this thing's been sitting for about 3 years, and I'll show you what I found here. I noticed the spark plug was loose, so I started turning it, and I pulled it out, and man, it's got a lot of threads. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Rusty, wet spark plug. So I did, let me just get that started in there. I'll show you here. So crawled up under here, and be honest with you, it is surprisingly, I mean, there's gunk everywhere from like leaking oil, but everything is clean under here. There's, you know, not a lot of rust or corrosion. See if I can get under here without hitting my head. Oh, pardon the camera angle. What was I going to show you? Oh yeah, so I grabbed onto the drive shaft there, and I cannot spin the engine. So unfortunately, the engine is definitely seized up. So that's not going to be fun to deal with. Might have to do an engine swap on it, because that seems pretty bad. But I'll show you what else I got. So here is the rusty, crappy mower deck. It's a little bit bent right there. Pretty bent right there. You can see, like, that end of the bar is, you know, bent that way. Whole thing is surface rusted real bad. Everything does spin freely, and it's still got the belt on it. But there are, you can see, like, there's a hole rusted through right there, hole rusted through right there. So it's going to take some work. The blades on it, I don't know if I can get a shot. The blades don't even look that bad. I mean, they're rusty, but yeah, they're not like all mangled and twisted. And the baffle at the back in there, it's not all bent up. So and then it's got these pretty cool like caster wheels at the front of the deck. So seems like a pretty good design. But yeah, this, let me see if I can get it. This side here is kind of bent like that and like that. This one appears to not be bent. I do have the other part of the drive shaft in the bed of my truck. So anyway, I just thought it would be cool to show a little video on the before, because I really like this mower, the way it's spec'd out. And yeah, I'd like to do pretty much a full restoration on it. If you're unfamiliar with these, it's a 22 horsepower Kohler Command V twin, and it doesn't want to focus. There it goes. So 22 horse V twin Kohler. You got a drive shaft going back to a really heavy duty hydrostatic transmission. You can see the oil filter there. It's only got 4 lug wheels, not 5, but doesn't really matter. See if I can get a shot of, like, not really, but anyway, it's a really heavy duty rear end with huge axles and everything. It's got a differential lock right here, so you can push this down and lock in the rear end. Of course, it is pedal drive. There's your forward and backward pedal. It's got hydraulic power steering. You can see the cylinder there. It has cruise control right here, tilt steering wheel just like in your car, hydraulic deck lift. You can raise and lower the deck pretty easily. And then under the crappy seat, we've got a storage tray. Some kind of, I don't know what that hose is for, and then like a thing for a belt or something, I don't know. So anyway, I am pretty excited about this thing, even though it's in really rough shape. So I'd like to make another video on it when I make some progress.